Hi boys and girls. Now that you have a better understanding of what a habitat is, we're going to jump right in and learn about some of the habitats on our planet. The very first one we're going to look at is called the rainforest. It's one of my personal favorites, and it's known for having different layers. That's what we're going to look at right now, layers of the rainforest. Now, the very first layer of the rainforest, the top layer, is called emergent. This layer, because it's on top, it receives direct sunlight and direct heat from the sun. So the plants and animals that are up there have to adapt to that bright sunlight. It also gets strong wind and rain, which in the rainforest, it rains almost every day. So the tree branches up there are actually very thin and can't support very heavy animals. So this layer of the rainforest is going to have birds. It's going to have small monkeys and also some insects. Now the second layer we're going to look at is called the canopy. Okay. And this part of the rainforest is really cool because the canopy contains about 60 to 90% of all the animals that live in the rainforest. That's a lot of them. It's very concentrated with the animals. The canopy is actually the warmest layer, and animals have to adapt because it's so populated with animals. The animals adapt to this layer by making really loud sounds, and it's so noisy. Let's see. Now in this layer, we're gonna see animals like toucans, lizards, monkeys. You might even see some rodents and tree frogs. The next layer is the understory. And hopefully you can see from my coloring that it's kind of getting darker as it goes down, because once we get to the bottom of the rainforest, it's going to be very dark and shadowy. Okay, so the understory is very humid and damp, which means the air is full of water, which makes sense since it rains so much in the rainforest. This area is where a lot of plants and a variety of mosses and lichens are, and also some fungi grows. Then we have our forest floor. Okay, and in this layer, it's the darkest layer of the rainforest. It's very humid. So the air down there is full of water, and there's lots of debris at the bottom where plants and animals have started to decompose and kind of go back into the ground. And so it's very nutrient dense. And that is a little bit about the layers of the rainforest. So once again, we have our emergent at the top, our canopy, our understory, and our forest floor.